Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I did a get ready for me or get ready with me um tutorial, but the bad thing is I guess my camera was not recording, so I just spent a while talking to myself. But anyway, this is the look, the final look. If you guys want to actually see a tutorial again on how I did my makeup look, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, this is the final look. If you want like a basic everyday eyeshadow look, um please let me know if you want me what other videos you guys would like to for me to make. And yeah, bye guys.